on the precious metals recent surge. Larry Shover, who's Chief Investment Officer at SFG Alternatives, he's joining us from the CME. Larry, last year the markets were panning gold, so to speak. That does seem to be changing. Is it just a bounce back here, or are there some fundamental reasons for that gold has been rising?
Well, I think it's a little bit of both. Let's keep it in context. So we've had a broad market sentiment shift, and gold's a direct recipient of that. We went from a risk-on mode to nervous neutrality as we plow through this rough patch. ISM data, we have 2 bad jobs reports, emerging market data, etc. So it's waking up a lot of shorts in the market. As we know, we've seen a lot of short covering since mid-January. It's picked up steam last week as we broke through a 100-day moving average on Monday, and also on Friday a 200-day moving average. So the bottom line is, as a trader, unless there's a clear-cut change in sentiment, I just don't think this rally is going to continue. I mean, I think it's being met up with a lot of supply overhang that we've seen over the last couple of years.
And it seems like a lot of the big strategists agree with you. I was just reading that some of the most accurate strategists at Societe Generale, at Barclays, they're also bearish. They think that this rally is sort of short-lived here.
I'm sorry.
I'm just wondering how you're betting on that. Are you now then, as a result, shorting gold?
I'm looking for spots to sell gold, and especially last week when we saw the commitment of traders report come out that there were new longs in the market, it's being met by some demand. So short term, yes. As a trader, I would give any opportunity to sell gold. As an investor, it's a different story. I mean, we're in the midst of a policy experiment we've never seen before, so I do think as an investor, having gold in your portfolio makes sense. So I'm speaking out of both sides of my mouth, but as a trader and as an investor.
Gotcha. So when you say you would hold it in your portfolio, so that's basically more as a hedge.
Absolutely, because again, we've never seen a world like this with central bank monetary policy, and so who knows how it's all going to end up. It's frustrating to own gold, but I do think as a hedge, it makes sense to have in your portfolio.
When you look around the world, I know that Chinese demand is set to overtake Indian demand in the next several years. How's that going to play into the fundamental equation for gold?
I think it just continues to keep a premium in the gold price, and you brought up a good point. I mean, Indian demand's been very strong as of late because premium for gold has dropped to like $30, $40 an ounce. But the news we get out of China, we're not sure how accurate it is, but it's enough to keep a premium in the price.
All right, gotcha. Larry, thank you so much. We'll be watching those gold prices to see what happens next. Appreciate it.